All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges down in the Kanyakumari district, let's talk about the University College of Engineering in Nagercoil. The TNEA code you'll need is 4023. We're going to break down all the official data to help you and your parents make a well-informed choice. Okay, so there are two really important things you need to know about this college right off the bat. First, it is a direct constituent college of Anna University. That means your degree literally comes from Anna University itself. And second, admission is 100% through government counseling. There's no management quota, which means every single seat is filled based on merit through a completely transparent process. So what does it really mean to be Anna University in Nagercoil? Let's dig a little deeper into the college's core identity. This pretty much gives us the whole picture. It's a state government college, and it's been managed directly by Anna University since 2009. But the real key takeaway for you here is that 100% university quota. It just reinforces that every single admission is handled centrally by TNEA, which creates a level playing field for everyone. You know, the official mission of a college tells you a lot about its purpose. This one is all about being a hub for great technical education and research for the local community. It's a government college with a government mandate to serve the region. Okay, so that's the mission, but how does that turn into actual courses you can study? Let's look at the engineering branches that are on offer here. First things first, how many students get in? Well, the college offers a total of 420 undergraduate engineering seats. Think of this as the total capacity, which is then spread out across a few core engineering branches. And here's the breakdown of those 420 seats. You've got 6 different programs to choose from. As you can see, computer science and engineering is the biggest branch with 120 seats. After that, you've got 5 other really foundational branches: civil, mechanical, ECE, EEE, and IT, each with an intake of 60. These are the classic engineering streams that industries are always looking for. And to teach these 420 students, the official data says there is a faculty strength of 63 members. This just gives you a sense of the academic resources that are available on campus for students. All right, now for the topic that's on everyone's mind, students and parents alike. What happens after the 4 years are over? Let's talk about the outcomes, from placements to research. This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? So let's look at the numbers that the college has officially reported to the government's NIRF portal. This is real data. Okay, for the batch that graduated back in 2022, a total of 110 students were placed through campus recruitment. This shows that there is a direct path from this college into a professional career. But getting a job isn't the only successful outcome. From that very same batch, a significant number of students, 96 of them, actually chose to pursue higher studies. This tells you that the academic foundation here is strong enough to open doors for master's degrees and beyond. So let's talk about the financial side of things. For the students who got placed, the reported median salary was 3 lakhs per annum. This is an official number which gives you a very clear and realistic benchmark for what graduates have earned. And it's not all just about jobs. What about innovation? Well, between 2020 and 2022, the college published 14 patents. This number is a good indicator of the kind of research and development work that faculty and students are involved in. Okay, let's shift gears a bit. We've talked about the outcomes, but what about the environment where it all happens? What's life on campus actually like? The college itself is situated on an 18-acre government campus in Konam, which is in Nagercoil. This gives you a good sense of the physical space and the kind of setting you'd be in for your 4 years of study. Now, this is a really important point, especially for parents. For students who are coming from out of town, there are on-campus hostel facilities. The college provides separate hostels for boys and girls, and they're Wi-Fi enabled. I think parents will also be glad to hear about the student-run mess system, plus other amenities like a gym, a medical facility, and of course, CCTV surveillance for safety. And in terms of connectivity, getting there is pretty straightforward. The nearest major railway station is Nagercoil Junction, which makes it quite accessible for students traveling from other parts of the state. Let's touch upon another very practical concern: financial support. Now, being a government college gives students a huge advantage in this area. Students here can access a whole range of government scholarships. As you can see, this includes major schemes from both the state and central governments. Things like scholarships for SC/ST, BC/MBC communities, the First Graduate Scholarship, and even the Putamai Pen Scheme for girl students. All of this really helps make a quality engineering education much more accessible. So after looking at all these facts and figures, what's the bottom line? How should you really think about this college when you're making your choice list? I think it boils down to this. University College of Engineering, Nagercoil offers a direct path to an ANA University degree, and it does so through a very transparent, government-run admission process. It's a stable, solid choice for building a strong foundation for your engineering career. As always, we want to be clear that the information we've shared with you today is based on data taken directly from the college's official website and trusted government portals like AICTE and NIRF at the time we prepared this explainer. To continue your research and compare more colleges, you can explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.